Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and a DowJones30 futures chart for the final time this trading week, as today is Friday of course. But before I do that, just before we get started, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I've left the website link in the description of today's video, so scroll down, click on that website link, it will bring you to this website. And then once on my website, all you have to do is click join now and you can receive my trading signals as well as my daily market research that I send prior to the US market opening every day for a very small joining fee of $29. So over the weekend, if you get a chance, make sure you do subscribe. But let's get started with today's video. S&P 500 currently trading at 5,100. This is on the back of the PCE inflation report that we got. It come in line 0.3% versus 0.3% expected. That's what I was posting out to my Signal team, that according to my sources, I was expecting the number to come in line, and that's exactly what did happen. Very good here in terms of technical breakout. We're trading above the 50-day EMA, which is the red line on your screen. We've managed to break above it. The big question is, can we close above it? If we can close above it, that of course is very positive going into next week. So I do like the setup here for the S&P 500. I think that we could potentially go up towards 5,200. If we can break above 5,200, then I think 5,400 will be the next target. Then just quickly moving over to Nasdaq100, off the back of Microsoft and Google's earnings yesterday, a huge breakout in both of those stocks, especially Google. Let's just quickly have a look at Google. Google reported earnings, plus they also announced their first quarterly dividend that had been heavily anticipated for the past 2 to 3 years as they sat on a mountain of cash, and that actually come through yesterday. So look at that stock. It has jumped 13% at the open today. It's still up around 10%. And I just want to start by saying a massive congratulations to everyone in my Signal team. We bought it at the lows yesterday with our take profit up at 160, and we capitalized on that trade. So well done to everyone in my Signal team. And then if we just quickly have a look at Microsoft also gapped higher today, pairing most of the losses that it's seen over the past month or so. So we're trading back above $400 and testing at 50-day EMA. So that, of course, has given the Nasdaq100 and the S&P 500 a boost since the market closed yesterday. So Nasdaq trading at 17,700. We're about to hit that 50-day EMA and mirror the moves of the S&P 500. And I suspect that we'll probably break above it as we go into next week. And then finally, guys, just to wrap up today's video, looking at the DowJones30, 38,300 is where the Dow currently trades. Again, it's kind of lagging the S&P here a little bit, similar to the Nasdaq100. We haven't quite got to that 50-day EMA, but I suspect that we'll get there in the coming trading sessions and probably a break above. Also, just before I do end today's video, let's just have a quick look at the 10-year. 10-year is declining ever so slightly today. We've managed to decline below 4.7%, which is very bullish for the US equity market. Hence, probably why you're seeing green shoots during today's trading session. 4.655 is where the 10-year looks. That happened on the back of the PCE inflation report that come in line with expectations. Again, I am expecting a peak here with this ABC correction pattern, and I do expect us to continue this decline through to the month of August, where we probably yield at around 3.25%, and of course that will act as a tailwind for US equities. That's going to wrap it up for this week, guys. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Don't forget, if you've got some time over the weekend and you'd like to give my Signal team a go and copy my own personal trades, then make sure you join my website. You join my Signal team by subscribing on my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. Thank you very much and have a lovely weekend all, and I'll see you here on Monday. Thank you.